tiny little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super fun, a windmill. Are you ready to create with me?
Yay!
Let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, let's grab our black marker and draw a circle right in the middle of the paper. This will be the center of our windmill. Now let's draw 4 big wings coming out from the circle, like an X shape. These are the blades that spin in the wind. Next, draw a tall tower under the circle. This is where the windmill stands strong and tall. Let's add a cute little door in the middle of the tower. Now draw a small window. Maybe the windmill has someone living inside. Now draw the land underneath the tower. Let's add some bushes behind the windmill, just some little bumpy shapes. Time for a tree. First, draw a trunk and some branches reaching up. Now for the fun part, draw the leaves like a cotton candy cloud. So fluffy. Almost done. Let's draw a few clouds floating in the sky. So peaceful. Nice job, everyone. Our windmill drawing is complete. Now let's go over the whole drawing again and make the outline bold and sharp so our artwork really pops on the paper. Awesome! Isn't it beautiful already?
Yay!
Now it's time to add some colors. I'm using my rainbow markers. Let's color together. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Light pink color.
La da 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 dee.
Wow! You did such an amazing job drawing and coloring your windmill. If you had fun, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss an art adventure. See you next time on Toddlers Art Hub. Bye-bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.